Hello, friends and team. I'm Mayank Patel. I'm a student at Federation University. We are four members in a group, and our project title is Trans Tasman Database. The purpose of making this video as per our assessment requirement, which address all the concept of our project for Sprint 1. Here is my team member and client details. The client is this tech technology. Now I'm going to discuss about the project duration and contribution hours. We we have started our project on 27th of July 2020 and we will approximately finish our project on 28th of October 2020. We have divided our work according to working hours per week equally. The next I'm going to discuss regarding task description. Uh, it shows a task name, duration, the task start date and task finishing date. We have submitted our project storyboard and roadmap already, and we are going to focus on the sprint one. Here is the Gantt chart according to our task description. Now, I'm going to address our user story for sprint one. So first, as a marine scientist, database are needed so that I can study the interaction of sea with the marine life. So as a marine scientist, I need to focus on driven waves and the changes of coastline. The next is IoT network administration. I need to access to all related data to see that I can manage the network undersea based on that factors. So as a network administrator, I need to cover the data get and set from the server, and I need to be establish IoT network maintenance. The last one is as an environmental protector, I need to access data more quickly so that I can detect and identify any risk to health and environment. The environmental protector majorly cover the require rapid data accessibility and detect the risk so they can resolve the problems. The next I'm going to discuss about process identification. Here is the five phases of process identification: the process discovery, the process analysis, process redesign, process implementation, and the last one, process monitoring and controlling. Here is the flow chart which we have made for the project requirement, which shows all the criteria and the expectation needed regarding the creation of database as a open source. Here is a sprint wish list, which we gonna cover for this term and for the software engineer for next term as well. So first we're gonna cover wireframe, it's just for output of database, and then sprint 3, 2 and 3 respectively. The implementation of API, the web services and the platform is for the developer, which they cover by our process modeling and requirements. The next is individual reflection and contribution. So every team members needs to be done this kind of things or reflection and contribution. So let's start with this. In the sprint contribution, let's start with the storyboard first. Initially in the storyboard, I have contributed to finish project stakeholders and communication plan throughout the term and the project approach as a agile methodology. So the stakeholders which we have mentioned in the storyboard and the roadmap as well. Additionally, on the other side, I've successfully done the product vision to reach out at the sprint retrospective. In the product vision, we have covered all the concept regarding Tasman Sea, which shows the coastlines, currents, sea waves, the idea about the marine life, marine scientists, and all that things, and also cover how to overcome the problems to finding the things. On top of that, as a team leader, I need to be generate report every week for the project progress report by communication channel with the team members. So we are using a Microsoft team for the communication regarding discuss of the project. By taking this project, I have learned more things like a team leading role, the group strength, the verbal communication, decision making, and the one most important thing is critical thinking. Thank you.